Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about IPL hair removal, which is perfect because summer is pretty much here. Now, I've made many of these videos before. This device just came in, so I wanted to unbox and share it with you. But these IPL handheld devices are great for hair removal because you can do them from the convenience of your own home. And if you were to go to a med spa, you'd be spending hundreds of dollars and you would need anywhere from, I don't even know, like maybe 5 to 10 treatments. It kind of just depends on like what areas and what you're getting and, you know, your hair type, everything like that. And I've heard from other people that it actually is pretty painful. These devices, you really don't feel anything. So I'm going to get into all of that. I'm going to unbox this, share it with you. We're going to go over what IPL is in case you are not familiar, and then I'm going to give a demo as well. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out more about IPL hair removal, then just keep watching. For those of you who don't know what IPL hair removal is, or what the IPL stands for, is intense pulsed light. And basically it says, with intense pulse light technology, gentle pushes of light are applied to the skin and absorbed by the hair root. The lighter the skin and the darker the hair, the better the pulses of light are absorbed. So I am half Italian, so I think I qualify for that category. It says the pulses of light stimulate the hair follicle to go into resting phase. As a consequence, the hair sheds naturally and hair regrowth is prevented. So in a nutshell, that's what IPL hair removal is. And again, for this time of year, it's perfect. This is the one that just came in the mail, so I wanted to unbox and share this with you, kind of go over the features, what it comes with, and give you guys a demo. Now, I've been using these at-home devices for years, and the key to these is consistency. So you have to be consistent with them. You're not going to notice it right away because your hair falls out and grows in stages. This one right here is from the brand, and I cannot really pronounce this. It's like Aopvui. It's Aopvui. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but they do have an Amazon store. This is sold on Amazon, and they have a website as well. So I will link this all down below. But this is what the device looks like, and it says that you can use this on your armpit, lips, arm, leg, bikini, and back. So upon opening the box, this is what we have going on. This one, it's more lightweight and it's sleek. Like, this weighs nothing. Like, it's very lightweight, very sleek. And I love that right now I'm seeing maybe 1 and 2 buttons. It's not overcomplicated. We don't have a million buttons going on. And then also it comes with the user manual, which I will be referring to. But this includes, and this is pretty common, some do, some don't. This includes a razor and goggles. So that's really nice, or glasses, if you will. Sometimes it's goggles, sometimes glasses. Depending on where you are going to be doing the hair removal, for example, on your face or your lips, you're definitely going to want to put these on so that it protects your eyes. And then this right here, actually, I've never seen this included in an IPL device before. It says, please clean the light window after use with this little microfiber cloth. It's, the wording's backwards because I'm filming mirrored, but you guys see, I've never had a cloth come with it, and it just shows that you should be cleaning, basically right here, you should be cleaning this after every use. So I really like that they include that cloth. And then lastly, it comes with a plug. These devices, when you are using them from your home, they are going to take time. And when I say time, they're going to take weeks. If you were to go to a med spa, it's not going to be any quicker. And for like the longest time, I had this misconception that if I did go to a med spa and got it done professionally, that it would be quicker. It's not quicker. So I just wanted to relay that message because that also can take time. And I believe with every treatment in a med spa, it's, I think every 8 weeks you have to go back for your treatment. So I just figured I'd mention that. According to the user manual, the first 4 weeks, you are going to treat twice a week. So that's 2 times a week for the first 4 weeks. Then from weeks 5 to 8, you're just going to go down to 1 treatment per week. And then it says for maintenance, after 8 weeks, you will continue use every 1 to 2 months. And honestly, you can kind of just play it off by what you feel you need and what it looks like, because you may need to go a little longer. Just like if you were to go to med spa, somebody, it could take them like 4 treatments. Somebody else, depending on what they're doing, it could take them like 9 treatments. So this, if you feel you need longer than the 8 weeks, I would just kind of spot check, see where you are, and you can go a little longer. When you get to your desired results, then that's when you kind of just go monthly, use every 1 to 2 months, kind of just to maintain. And I also found out too that with professional hair removal in med spas, you also do have to go back for maintenance occasionally. I found that out as well, and I was very shocked about that. Before we get into the demo, I just wanted to mention that I've had some pretty good success with these, but the key is that you really have to use them, you know, for 8 weeks or longer and kind of maintain. Sometimes I kind of stop the maintenance period after I start seeing results immediately. And that's the other thing. If you start seeing results, like, don't just completely stop. I would just keep going and then maybe start spacing them out, because again, your hair kind of grows in different waves and falls out in different waves. So like in the first couple weeks, you could be like, oh my God, I don't even think I need to keep going. But you do. So I just wanted to mention that. But like my underarms, I'm more of like in kind of like a refresh or maintenance, but I am half Italian, so they used to be extremely bad, and I've been using these devices. I haven't recently, but like my underarms are so much better than they were. So I kind of just need maintenance now with these devices. I have this plugged in, and that's what it says. It lets you know that it's off even when it's plugged in. And I'm going to turn the power button on. This right here just tells you the amount of pulses that are left. And my phone might be making this digital part look kind of funky. It's like weird because whenever you have like a phone recording something digital, it might like do some weird stuff. I don't know if it's going to be shown in this video, but when I'm looking at myself right now, this is all looking funky. But anyways, this basically has under 1 million pulses. So you have many pulses. This will pretty much last you for life. So next right here, this number 1 is the level. Now for a beginner, I would start at level 1 or level 2. You want to start low and kind of work your way up, especially if you're not familiar with doing this. But this power button you are going to press to make the levels go up. So we're going 2, 3, and again, everything's in reverse. I apologize. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if you keep going, it goes to 9. And then it goes back down all the way to 1. And then lastly, you're going to be pressing this button to do the pulses. So let's kind of test this out. I'm just going to leave it on level 1 just to show you a demo of how you would do your underarms. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to hit the button, and you saw that. And then I'm going to go over that spot one more time. And then you're going to kind of just move down a little bit and overlap. And I usually like to do 2 to 3 times. 2, I'll do 3, and then you just keep going down. And what I like to do is like work my way down, work my way down, work my way down, or you can just like go up and over. Now I believe if like you hold it down like so, then it'll go into an auto mode. See, do you guys see the auto mode? That's the auto mode right there. So you don't even have to worry about, you just keep moving it. So it's that easy. And honestly, this just feels like I'm putting something warm to my armpit. It does not hurt at all. And just to go to the other side and show you again. And then I've moved down and moved down. And this is also much quicker than if you were to go to a med spa and say you got your underarms done. It can take like, it could be pretty quick, but it could take like 10 to 15 minutes depending. So I think this is like super quick. If you guys are interested in this IPL hair removal device, intense pulsed light hair removal device, I used to say laser. I want to say laser, but it's not a laser. It's intense pulsed light. If you guys are interested in this, I will have a link down below. Definitely check it out. There's a savings here. You could do it from the convenience of your own home. Why waste money going to the med spa when you can just have this for life? Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.